Ready to unlock the power of your Android app data with a stunning, insightful Looker Studio dashboard? First, head over to Looker Studio and click on the Create button. Then select Report to start a new dashboard. Now, it's time to connect your data sources. Choose Google Play Console for App Store Analytics and Google Analytics for user behavior insights. Within your app, you may need to authorize Looker Studio to access these accounts. Let's start with Google Play Console. Select your app and choose key metrics like installs and uninstalls to track app acquisition and churn directly from the Play Store. Next, from Google Analytics, select metrics that highlight user engagement, such as active users, session duration, and screen views to understand how users are interacting with your app. Now, let's visualize the data. Click at a chart and select a time series chart. Drag the date dimension to the z-axis and installs metric to the y-axis to visualize your app's installation trends over time. Add a scorecard to prominently display your active users, providing a quick snapshot of your app's user base. Enhance interactivity by adding a filter control. Choose app version to let you and your team filter the entire dashboard to focus on specific app releases and analyze their performance individually. And that's it. You've created a powerful Looker Studio dashboard to monitor your Android app's performance, user engagement, and App Store Analytics. Customize further with more charts, metrics, and styling options. Happy analyzing!